For years, Canon shooters have asked one question: when will we get the megapixels? When will the R system truly unleash its potential? Well, stop asking. Because the whispers are no longer whispers. The patents aren't just patents. What you are about to hear is the decoded truth. This is the Canon EOS R4. And if these leaks are even half true, Canon isn't just catching up. They're about to rewrite the rulebook for high-resolution mirrorless cameras. This isn't just about more pixels. It's about a fundamental shift in how Canon approaches imaging. We're talking about a camera that will redefine detail, reimagine autofocus, and deliver video capabilities that will make you rethink your entire workflow. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a power play. I have spent weeks digging through forums, scrutinizing supplier manifests, and correlating intel from insiders. And what I found paints a picture of a camera designed to utterly dominate the high-resolution landscape. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes. Because by the end, you'll know why the EOS R4 isn't just Canon's answer to the competition, it's a category killer. Let's cut straight to the chase, the core of this beast, the sensor. For years, Canon's high-resolution flagships have hovered around the 45-megapixel mark. Good, but not groundbreaking in the extreme detail department. The EOS R4 is about to shatter that ceiling. The most consistent and credible leaks point to an 80-megapixel, full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. But this isn't just a simple megapixel bump. The crucial detail here is that Canon is rumored to be incorporating a new sensor stacking or dual-gain architecture. This means insane resolution without sacrificing dynamic range or high ISO performance. Imagine having 80 megapixels for jaw-dropping detail, but with low-light capabilities that rival cameras with far fewer pixels. We're talking about an expected 15 stops of dynamic range and clean files at ISO 6400 that would make previous generations weep. This isn't just for landscape photographers. Wedding photographers will be able to crop details from wide shots. Studio photographers will achieve unprecedented texture. This sensor is designed to be versatile, powerful, and utterly uncompromising. It's Canon throwing down the gauntlet, proving they can deliver both resolution and image fidelity in one groundbreaking package. Resolution is meaningless if you can't nail the focus. And this is where the EOS R4 is set to leverage Canon's vast expertise in image processing and AI. The R3 introduced groundbreaking deep learning AF. The R4 takes that and supercharges it. We are hearing about an all-new dual-pixel CMOS AFX system, powered by a significantly upgraded, dedicated neural network processor. This isn't just faster tracking, it's smarter tracking. Imagine a camera that can not only identify a human, an animal, or a vehicle, but can differentiate between a child's face and an adult's, or recognize specific types of birds in flight, even through light foliage. The word on the street is predictive subject tracking, not just reactive. The camera will learn and anticipate movement patterns in real time. For wildlife, sports, and even fast-paced portraiture, this means an unprecedented hit rate. No more missed shots because the camera hesitated. The R4's AF system will be like having a second brain, focused solely on locking onto and holding your subject, no matter how chaotic the scene.